Garage fee. Garage fee are just really, obviously, if you don't have a garage, this doesn't apply to you, or your rentals don't have a garage, then it doesn't apply to you. But for the most part, if you have a garage, and this is pretty much like an external garage, this doesn't even work for like attached garages, because an attached garage you consider to be part of the house. But this garage is really for detached garages or external garages that can either be used by the tenant, or you could possibly even rent that out to somebody else local in the neighborhood to store a car or a boat, or even use for storage or something like that. But you want to make sure, if it is an external garage, have that external from the lease. Don't include the garage space in the lease, and don't identify that, because if the tenant, I've had people in the past where we've included that in the lease, and then the tenants don't even use the garage. Well, for that whole lease term, now I'm stuck with not being able to rent the garage because I already made it a part of their lease. So I can't rent it because they have access to it. So just some food for thought. This right here is easily $30, $50 or even more per month, depending on how big your garage is. So this could be an additional fee. So if you do have something like that, don't give it away. Charge for it.